Learn and grow on the Dotty Show. Hey there, want a piece of gum? In this video, I'll be teaching you 3 easy steps on how to make the biggest, coolest bubble. Before we get started, I just want to share a few important warnings about bubblegum. Make sure that you wash your hands when you start chewing your gum, because most likely you're going to touch your mouth and you want to keep the germs away. Also, make sure not to swallow your gum, because gum is not really food to be digested. What makes gum so yummy is the sugar in it. So make sure to brush your teeth, take good care of it after you enjoy your delicious gum. And last but not least, if you have long hair, tie it up, because if gum gets in your hair, it's very, very, very hard to remove it, and you may have to end up cutting it. Now let's get this party started. Go ahead and grab your favorite gum, chew, chew, chew it until the flavor is gone. That was so yummy. Did you enjoy it? All right, now it's time for us to make the bubble. Step number 1, flatten the gum with your tongue and the roof of your mouth. Just like this. Step number 2, now push the gum out with your tongue. Step number 3, blow slowly and steady and make your bubble bigger and bigger. Do it again if that wasn't too big. Keep practicing. I hope you had fun with me. If by any chance you get gum stuck in your face or anywhere else, the best way to remove gum is by using gum itself. Bye-bye! Please like and subscribe and stay creative.